In this evening's Ray of Hope, our news team travelled to Petersfield in Westmoreland, bringing glowing gifts to children still living in darkness. And with every spark came renewed joy. Ramada Lyons reports.
Ray of Hope, brought to you by
Quartz has what you need to make home yours. Easy payment plans using Quartz Ready Finance. Quartz, make home yours.
Spirits lifted by Christmas gifts with lights for children in communities painted dark by Hurricane Melissa. A TVJ news team put news writing and footage sorting to the side for a day and focused on writing names on gift bags and sorting relief items and toys for over 100 children. Location: Petersfield High School, which operates as a shelter. And it's not just the children who are joyous.
You're tired? Yeah, man. How you feel about getting that tired?
Later, we saw the true reason. He's been at the shelter for 2 months. He thinks he won't be able to meet the deadline to leave by the end of the month.
I think so, unless you get the money, build back the house them before they, I remember I want to help them, because no work now go on, them enough things now go on right now, them way there.
Now behind him, a new installment of Fast and Furious with another fascinated adult.
Because you can transform.
Let me see, put it again, let me see it works.
Some making demands on behalf of their children. The children, joyful and appreciative. Even the youngest, guarding their gift with all their might. This 7-year-old loves his gift.
Spider-Man is my favorite superhero. It's a car. I feel happy because it's nice.
For those who didn't get a toy, it was an item of clothing that made their day.
Nike.
Yeah. Tell us, are you excited about getting the shoes?
Yes.
How excited are you? All of 100, how excited are you about getting these shoes? 100%?
Her mom here, grateful for the small things.
Life right now is been very devastating, very difficult from the storm has passed, and we are trying to cope though. We're not giving up hope, but we're trying to cope.
Other parents whose children weren't present made sure they had something to show, even if it wasn't enough.
I get 2 cricket balls in, so I go sabam now. I have 2 at 1 yard, girl and boy. So I go on the girl and the boy side now. I go sabam now one side. See that so that we put you up in the house, you use it for pretty light. Alright, you use the ball and you share that for 2 hours for time being. And then you see the ball now, I go carry go down the other 1 yard and give. Then the other one day I get ready and the other one bigger and they work. So most likely, them one they come off a list. So I just 3 days on the list where you have to really care, you know. You still care, you know, 100%, you know. But as I show you, say, you look out for little one day more, you know. You see me?
It's a good feeling. It's a very good feeling to see that someone really cares about us and we're not left alone. So it's a good feeling to have you guys here and we appreciate it so much.
And when the sun started setting, the toys came alive. From a staircase turned waving gallery to the most low-intensity sword fight you'll ever see. But the only thing brighter than light was gratitude.
Thank you, TVJ!
Reporting from Petersfield High School, I'm Ramada Lyons with your Ray of Hope.
Ray of Hope,